Prof. Zipline. My name is what made your response the country director. Okay. What's your response country director of Zipline Ghana, Edema Abra, many interview. And he made it clear he heard the thing first from you on Bidjum. When we can say when he can say near the Zipline for about thousands of condoms. Near the fat textbooks, near the fat uniforms. And what Chile say, almost 20,000 flight delivery biana, one of them, and a fat these non-essential medical NEMA. But looks as if say manakwa kwese Zipline faso dia also a Ghana for the free no. We don't want to tell that story. Okay. Any focus say a 0.005% act of the operations.
All right. Main trust, yes, sir. First, data now I spoke to, I'm a data done by trusted academics. Yes, ma'am. So I'm going to Zipline Operations.
Okay.
Now, I'm going to Zipline for logbooks, deliveries, near and sana out with findings. I'm requesting for further information from Zipline for apart from what they got from the ground and some from the ministry. Now, the import of Nema Yekanini say. And I think I want to put me Zipline say me into proper context no be anti as. Obi anka say Zipline or Zipline on fa ade enko baby a on fan koe. Zipline ko dwam nko to bibia. Wona odi nyama no koni station. Wo de koni station no more request ya. No no so aye den wa fly e de abro. So ono ye middle person. No de ba no. O de brain no. Na ne obe friend no. E no de be bro.
Yeah.
Into one fan command
on deliver.
On cotton no ababe deliver. That point is clear. Over the operations of Zipline and near benchmarks here in terms of number of flights, in terms of area coverage, they were meeting it.
Okay.
But no nyimfi ho say ye were problem, fundamental problem with the whole contractual arrangement of Zipline. Okay. The fundamental problem no one, in Shasieno, near a banker train, so what is Zipline, and the source of funding for Zipline, a do a yeno, not done a different. Entire say, Obekache say, me the way, me the phone ye be mount, see, with their jet, and now wako baby, uko didi, so they did a free unchia, on an chiaka, udidi ya, obesoria, yes, we should chat on Onana cancel be bound, so I be free. Sassem be adnacus. In Parliament, me catch your dan ewa hase. Ewa GME, ombe consortium, omuka chese corporate organizations, and ebe fakano. In Parliament, 3rd December, the Honorable Minister for Health quoted copiously ewa yen Hansard mu. Someone who corporate organizations be brave. Omubo Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, mining companies, telcos, almost on the bois, ama use drones way into Ghana in Chiaka. Me who say no can and the type of negotiation na come. It is costing us $88,000 per center. They say I was 6 centers per month.
Yeah.
Once you've and it's a take or pay agreement. Say that you are some Pyne ekana intino. Say the doc no arrangement na the same thing. And why? Into ye dio ya need doc no ye chiaka. Into omo deliver o and deliver o e was a abanchia.
Okay.
Na ye fa wom say wom be ye ade mean. Say wom deliver essential medicines. Essential moja anti-snakes venom say waka obi na ho aduro and infusions and then rubia and here urgently no omun deliver sanya no omun deliver to him omun deliver to areas from say hard to reach.
Okay.
The summary of the can nyina say wo hwe review of omo operation in 6 years now. They have met their indicators in terms of the delivery area coverage and all of that. But a ban nyema mienu we a the need no e wo form. Enyo mo no mo nye, but the demand from us to them on time nyema we no e wo form. Inti say ye pese ye value for money, we have to renegotiate. Because if I'm employing you, say, be deliver moja, be deliver is edro and things to very difficult to reach areas. Now me review a juma in 6 years, and difficult to reach areas now are forming only 12% of your total area will deliver. That means who ye juma aside juma no kametima fa kwan foforo bi so ayesa juma na me moka bebre ti say ne me boka sesiai. Because I'm paying you a premium price. Me just say because with the emergency nyema ebeko intem. And what beko baby a minti me end ho. Na say see an wo de ko baby a minti me do. Because demand from baby a minti me do no aba form. Inti aba form to only 12%. Na say nyema na wo deliver a year critical no is just about 1%.
Okay.
My international and kasabio.
Okay.
Inti na ye case I am thinking say this whole thing must be reviewed. Secondly, I was say yes, strengthen young kasansu your health system no. Because the whole concept say yeah, you see taxpayer money and the for where as of today we are not helping the taxpayer because in Yemana omo de call no be brain and Yemana we should be paying for.
When the majority leader on Mahama Yagabeya dream say young cancel contract.
So bakana dream. Me my dream no as a medical doctor there is room say yebeye emergency deliveries be.
Okay.
There is room say under some situations you fly never be quick.
Okay.
And for say sa never no be cost no we should pay according to that. So one tier no answer there ne mechanic say then sika ye de betua won yen fa empower your normal delivery systems. That is the only time I make say yen cancel.
So when you say you be cancel contract no.
I was say ye ni omotena se ne kasa.
Okay.
Ye kasa na so mbeti ase say because sisi anema na ye deliver ye essential no e wo form.
Okay.
And hard to reach areas no so e wo form. Ombete so na no ma ba. Ye atua for what we are using it for. I mean okay. But so mon tie no na se dia.
Okay.
Then ye emphasize no and empower those hard to reach areas. Na ye supply.
But as Professor Bayo,
when you prophecy say taxpayer a boka ana fasoni say the sika de beye edema bi unim eni bosome na wa wadanfo Mustafa Gbande ono an deputy general secretary ebe ka kire ye nyina say bosome bia no from office of the president omo di over 5 million Ghana cedis ekoma consensus officers if you are buying taxpayer no futu say yemfa ma party fu eni nse ne kwa nti afi with the 5 million no times 12 na is kapa o kobe
also said no dey kwa
5 million 5.something million kaboma esa kaboma
bosumi bia na
bosumi bia
5 million Ghana cedis.
There were 276 constituencies.
Yeah.
And the videos in the me nam kai.
It was also bosumi your map
constituencies were 200,000.
200,000.
Hey,
times 276. 55.2 million Ghana cedis. Times is a 11th month to be away. 12 month to be away.
Me patch.
At the time,
obeye opinion. Answer obeye sa calculation do e dia tudwa no. Man more that evidence. Me who say ampa bibi say koso. Me constituency. Me nya
200,000 from
me nya bibi asa da.
Unya 200,000
Unya say.
Me nya he.
Enti obi edge then President Mahama Musika na Mustafa say we di free Ghana for
200,000.
Hey, 200,000 every month.
From Bayo say the constituency bimba enti nipa this can no
200,000
near the back office of the special prosecutor we
national TV
okay Zipline Operations where abrofo baby, I say you don't give the dog a bad name to hang it. One ba baby. Every contract beer one fee says someone renegotiate no nya trouble one more cancel. A been lightweight.
Meaning some beso nya trouble.
A been lightweight. A been Zipline. Okay? A be any SML. Zipline asem we say. Endura na wo mo ka ho asem. Me woni Nigeria or the kwaku make you
kwaku make here.
That me tie no. Aya me gwa. Hwe me wo practical example bi. Amena say wo ko titwere that's apejwa kwan ya so.
Okay.
Unja secondary school bi ho. Wo munya food poisoning. Enkura be 400. That time no Zipline and a fly emergency medication and grab 400 of that secondary school no womu baako kura enfirimu minim madam fobi kwame dodu bonsu he's into tree plantations ni weka baako just 2 weeks ago owo eka no enya Zipline for and a day sa anti-snake syrup ni bi
no area be
a side how they Condom so honum.
Okay.
Enko we
That's Afram Plains.
Yes.
Side. Okay.
Enti my bad that mu dem mu fee say terms of engagement ni bi e fata say yesisam mu a enye say beka say ye defa condoms. Moreover, condom me who na say essential drug profit ha essential intervention profit ha onim say enano Ghana AIDS Commission one report on the buy no a train said there's a surge upwards in cases of HIV
12,600
inti
AIDS patients in Ghana.
Tema na mo ye ABC of abstinence ne condom use ne na asefo be faithful ne na asefo no mo ma yet say important say be use condoms inti a part of Ghana Health Service and the Ghana AIDS Commission. I said the foundations no Bill Gates no na se form do musika ebo international organizations no wo mo boa wo mo timide condoms ni brain no e be richie he me kai say about 10 years ago scandal bi buy no am say condoms bi e ba system no mu a yan distribute o kai say no
yeah
it is ne condoms no wo ho na say the bi be kwa mo say one single act out of the hundreds of positives no Zipline at the bonnet. Meanwhile, no US government about $120 or $150 million.
$150 million.
Yeah. At the Zipline operations in Africa. Now Zipline operations, Ghana and a forerunner. Oko Rwanda, the city Kigali. Unya twa honi wia de aka nyina na enkratin kitinkiti bi ketua bi he ubetimi ya se kata ubetimi do wana wa kotre ni triaba no awie Ghana as the prime not say abrofo no ti say ye ne Zipline for kra e wontawantawa we say ya e de na kire mi ho ano nka ye foreigners no ye kwa na so ade enu mu enti nipa no ye negotiations enye say the propaganda e be ba be ye enom the fa condom enom the fa textbooks and na textbooks no e ko empower nkora no a enye nyansasem say textbook no
but say I don't come adwuma ye say ye
da bio na enka wadwuma ye say de ye ho but I be necessary so therefore enye o madwuma ene say Obeti Kromfu.
Okay.
And so, yeah, Operation Calm Life. So therefore, count. So therefore, a count. Oh, into your best. But that propaganda, no, you did contracts in name properly. Contracts in name, they say, just send time around. And the mestre, could beat a profile, meaning I know he's a good person. I know medically he's good. Meaning he can't back home. Echo West School. Or they say no, but only they say no.
But I say,
the only time I can say, you see,
message. This is a doctor for who started propaganda.
One thing I was saying, just 1 second. You see, me what I want to say, the costs per delivery.
$8,000 per center.
Yes, and not that. Just when you
come
down,
sit down,
when you drill it down,
negotiate
about $80 per flight,
and I'm
compared to $20 to $30 in Malawi. If should we be delivering non-essentials at that cost?
Maybe the distance.
No, but the rate of flight,
the flight time.
But I say,
Professor Titus Beyo, a member of Parliament, Manager Lambisi constituency, Sampaya, former mayor of Kumasi Metro. Midi Akwasi is a madam as in 24, Samekeo, and Arpia Waba. Ya bedi dame e honkomo. Eba isi